From web slinging as Spider-Man to becoming one of the Hollywood's most beloved young actor, Tom Holland has captured the hearts of millions. But who's the man behind the mask? Let's explore Tom Holland's journey from a theater kid in London to a global superstar and discover the secret behind his incredible success, personal life, and lifestyle. Tom Holland, whose full name is Thomas Stanley Holland, who was born in June 1, 1996 in Kingston upon Thames, England. He is currently 28 years old as of 2024. Tom's career began on stage when he played the title role in the West End production of Billy Elliot the Musical from 2008 to 2010. His breakout moment in the film came in 2012 when he starred in The Impossible along with Naomi Watts, earning critical acclaim for his performance. However, it was his role as Spider-Man in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, starring with Captain America Civil War in 2016, that launches him to international fame. Some of his notable works include Spider-Man Homecoming in 2017, Spider-Man No Way Home in 2021, Uncharted in 2022, and The Devil All the Time in 2020. Tom Holland comes from a creative family. His father, Dominic Holland, is a comedian and author, while his mother, Nicola, is a photographer. He has three younger brothers with whom he shares a close bond. In terms of his romantic life, Tom has been in the spotlight for his relationship with fellow actress Zendaya, who co-starred with him in the Spider-Man series. Their chemistry both on and off screen has made them one of the Hollywood's favorite couple. Tom is a vocal advocate for mental health awareness and uses his platform to promote important causes. He also founded the Brother Trust, a charity organization aimed at supporting smaller, often overlooked charities. Tom Holland leads a balanced and grounded lifestyle despite his fame. Known for his active fitness routine, he trained extremely for his action-packed roles, maintaining a lean and authentic build with a height of 5 feet and 8 inches and weight approximately 64 kgs. Tom enjoys activities like dancing, golf, and spending time with his family and dogs. He is a big fan of outdoor adventure and frequently posts about his travel on social media. When it comes to fashion, Tom keeps it simple and classic, often sporting tailored suit on the red carpet while opting for casual look in his daily life. As of 2024, Tom Holland's net worth is estimated to be around 25 million USD, primarily earned through his roles in blockbuster films, endorsements, and other projects. Tom Holland's journey from a talented child actor to one of the Hollywood's biggest stars is nothing short of inspiring. His charisma, dedicated, and humble personality make him a role model for many. Whether he is saving the world as a Spider-Man or making difference through his charity work, Tom Holland continues to leave an incredible mark on the world. If you like this video, like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you like to read about your favorite star, do visit our website saidcocoblog.com.